Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Swaroop Nadella. So today we will see the Java program print numbers 1 to 10 without using a loop. So we'll be using a concept called recursion here. So let's get started with the program. So since we need to print the numbers from 1 to 10, I'm taking the uh, integer value n equal to 10. And since we are using the recursion concept here, I'll be writing a new method here like public static void print numbers and the argument is int n. So here what is our main requirement? So we are going to print our n value. So sysout control space. So system.out.println. So here I'll be passing the value of n. So here one of the value has been printed, but since we are using the recursion here, let's initially the main method. So we have achieved printing one of the value. So using recursion, the current method will call itself. So what we have to do, print numbers. I'll be writing n minus 1 so that after 10, 9 should get printed. So since I'm writing this in the before sysout because I want to get the numbers printed from 1 to 10. Instead of reverse order, I want to get it printed from 1 to 10. So if we write only this up to this much in recursion, so it will throw stack overflow error because there is no breaking statement. So this is an infinite loop. So let's run this and check. So as we see, Java lang stack overflow error is called because the method keep on reducing the value n minus 1. So there is no and here. So what we need to do, apart from calling itself, it needs to have a break condition. So if n less than 1, so I want to print the values from 1 to 10 only. So if it is less than 1, I'll be writing a return statement. Let's run this code now. So as we see on the console, it printed from 1 to 10. So the important thing in recursion is that the method should be calling itself and there should be a condition statement where the loop should get broken. Otherwise, we will face the stack overflow error. So in this video, we have seen that print numbers 1 to 10 without using a loop using the recursion concept. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.